Have you ever dreamt of sharing your unique perspective with the world? Ever considered launching your own YouTube channel? If so, this is the perfect time to start. The world is becoming more digitally connected, and YouTube is at the forefront of this revolution. Today, we're going to break down the process of starting a YouTube channel into simple, easy to understand steps. First things first, you have to decide what your channel is going to be about. It could be anything from cooking to gaming, from fashion to tech reviews. The key here is to pick something that you are passionate about. Passion fuels creativity and keeps you motivated, and viewers can sense genuine enthusiasm. Now, once you have a clear idea about the theme of your channel, it's time to create it. You'll need a Google account to get started. Then you can go to YouTube, sign in, and click on Create a Channel. You'll have the option to use a business or other name, which is recommended if you want to keep your personal and YouTube identities separate. Next, focus on branding. This includes your channel name, logo, and banner. These elements should be eye-catching and convey what your channel is about at a glance. Remember, the branding should resonate with your target audience. Content is king in the world of YouTube. So after setting up your channel, it's time to start creating and uploading videos. A good practice is to maintain consistency in your content. This means sticking to your chosen theme and posting regularly. It's also crucial to invest time in learning how to create high-quality videos. This doesn't necessarily mean investing in expensive equipment, but rather learning about good lighting, sound, and editing techniques. But wait, there's more to it than just creating and uploading videos. You also need to make sure your content gets noticed. This is where SEO or search engine optimization comes in. Include relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags to make it easier for viewers to find your content. Engagement is another important aspect. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Respond to comments and create a community around your content. This not only boosts your visibility, but also helps in building a loyal audience. Lastly, be patient. Building a successful YouTube channel doesn't happen overnight. It takes persistence, creativity, and a lot of hard work. But with the right strategy and mindset, it's definitely achievable. To summarize, starting a YouTube channel involves choosing a theme you are passionate about, creating and branding your channel, consistently uploading quality content, optimizing your content for search, engaging with your viewers, and most importantly, being patient and persistent. Remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. It's the passion, creativity, and hard work that sets them apart. So, if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, why not give it a shot? The world is waiting to hear your unique perspective.